Okay guys, welcome to our channel. This is Techie Rig. Today I'm camera testing Xiaomi Mi 10. This phone backside totally quad camera setup here. Main camera 108 megapixel, secondary 30 megapixel ultra wide, and third one, fourth one is a 2 megapixel macro lens, and other one is the depth sensor. Okay, how is it this phone camera quality is good or not? How is it work the 108 megapixel? Okay, first show the camera settings. Xiaomi Mi 10 take normally 60 megapixel shots and you want to change 108 megapixel. See guys, normally it's looking good. This device support maximum 50x digital zoom. Quality is not very good but overall it's much better compared to other mobiles. I got only one issues. Xiaomi Mi 10 take long time to capture single image. I know the reason it's pixel pinning method to take 100 megapixel shot. Anyways, this is small issues. Okay, let's look the camera samples. Guys, I don't know proper English, so please adjust. This is the 108 megapixel sample. Normal looking, it's good. I'm just 20% crop this image. Edge detections, quality, colorways, everything is normally okay. I'm just focused to zoom the center part on 50x. I'm cropping this image. Viewing quality is very bad. Then same center place, but I'm using 50x digital zoomed picture. This is quality is not bad. It's compared to cropped image. It's much better result. It's focus all places, not only center. It's small building also clearly showing. This is the other image. It's a 30 megapixel ultra wide angle shot. Normal looking it's good. Just I'm cropping 20 percentage. It's not bad. Overall looking it's good. Edge detection is really good. This is the another one. It's also ultra wide angle lens camera sample. I'm taken on this shot 14th floor. It's not bad. It's much better result. This other one is a sunny place. It's little bit over exposing. This is the comparison Xiaomi Mi 10 versus Honor V30 night mode. Honor V30 lightly much better result. This other one. This shot Xiaomi Mi 10 much better clear and color quality. Its other one. See guys, Xiaomi Mi 10 compared to Honor V30 is much better night shots. This is a small video sample. Stability test. Honor V30 versus Xiaomi Mi 10. Xiaomi Mi 10 much better stability here. Overall, the camera test result Xiaomi Mi 10 morning time it's take good shots and video samples is perfect, but night time only little bit trapped. Otherwise, it's good. What do you think, guys? Do you like this camera test? Please like and subscribe my channel. More interesting videos on the way. Keep support me and thanks for the watching.